नाजरीन वेलकम बैक। आप ये वॉच कर रहे हैं बिजटॉक और हमारे साथ हमारे गेस्ट नसरुद्दीन रूपानी साहब मौजूद हैं और हमारे को होस्ट आमिर बनियार मौजूद हैं। तो अगर आपने अभी ज्वाइन किया है तो इसमें हम आपके साथ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं एजुकेशन, बिजनेस स्टार्टअप, बिजनेस परचेजिंग एंड बाइंग सेलिंग। वी गॉन थ्रू दैट प्रोसेस, नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग विद दी रूपानी साहब जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं, आज के शो के गेस्ट हैं। इनका एक पैशन अदर देन बिजनेस इज आफ्टर बीइंग अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस पर्सन, इनका पैशन था कि ही कैन गिव बैक टू द कम्युनिटी. So based with his passion of giving back, he started a thought process where he saw the need of healthcare quite a bit in the community. So he started Ibn Sina. He founded Ibn Sina Foundation, and then also वो उसके साथ साथ later on he also founded रूपानी फाउंडेशन. तो मैं इसके साथ डिस्कस करूँगा. जब रूपानी साहब आपने इब्न सीना फाउंडेशन भी माशाल्लाह फॉर्म की और आप उसका कुछ अपडेट्स है, व्हाट इब्न सीना इज डूइंग, व्हाट रूपानी फाउंडेशन इज डूइंग.
Thank you for the opportunity. Before I go there, I would like to just take 1 minute
Sure.
Away from it, because I was talking about college saving.
Okay.
And college saving is very, very critical for every family. I know our parents are working hard, but I think we just need to bring an awareness of, and parents need to become a role model for our children to have them understand the difference between want and need.
Okay.
If you understand the difference between want and need, your life will be very easy and you will be able to really pull out some money, put it aside, and grow with it. Because saving today will be very, very critical for every family to have their children go to good school.
Sure. Yeah.
Thank you. With the grace of Allah, Ibn Sina currently have 6 locations, and we are serving almost 80,000 patients and beyond. And inshallah,
Is that yearly?
Yearly, yes sir. And inshallah, by the end of April, exactly on 29th April, we are planning to ground break for the 7th clinic.
Oh, mashallah.
And within inshallah, by 2020, we are expecting that Ibn Sina will be seeing over 100,000 patients per year, and we will be the largest family care or primary care institution in Texas.
I wanted to quickly ask you, I know I've seen Ibn Sina grow from 1 location to 6 location, mashallah, you're talking about it's going to go all the way till 7 or 8 location. How have you grown this organization? What challenges you have come across in growing this thing? So we want to see, because that's been your passion. So share with our viewers what are the challenges you have seen throughout this process.
Is it like what you're saying, is it really difficult? I'm sure there was difficulties, but you overcame that.
Yes.
So that's and then it's going in the next direction.
Now it's like a big organization. It's recognized throughout Houston.
Everybody
recognizes
seems to know that,
at a state level. So we wanted to know how you turned this a very small idea or passion
into a big 100,000 patients.
100,000 is a big number for any organization.
Let me tell you and share with you, Ibn Sina started 15 years ago with a check of $5,000. And today our budget is over $7 million.
Wow.
And inshallah, by 2020, our budget will be over $10 million. And inshallah, we'll be seeing 100,000 patients. I cannot use the word difficulties. I think challenges, right?
Yeah.
Challenges, again, anything you do will have challenges, and we overcome challenges by the commitment. So we are the team that we originally had of all the doctors, all the entrepreneurs, they were very, very committed people. And that's what it really took. Just हमारे पास Dr. Ajani थे. He was very committed, day in and out. He was like walking, talking, sleeping, and even dreaming into serving the community.
Yeah.
So that is what takes, I think. So our team that we had original
Teamwork.
was very, very committed team, and that was really the success because of the commitment, the hard work, and giving back to the community.
So you want to talk about the Rupani Foundation as well? I know this is one organization that everybody in the community knows about it. They go there whenever they need. I hear so much, we need to go Ibn Sina Clinic, Ibn Sina, and they have high praises for that. So what is Rupani Foundation? You want to say something or talk about it?
Allow me another. I'm going to take another minute to talk about Ibn Sina, just
Sure.
to the community, so community should know.
Okay, sure.
Ibn
Take your
Sina
time.
is not a community clinic. Just don't think like it's a cough and cold clinic. This is a resource center. We help our patient beyond just looking at their primary care. If they need medicine, they can't afford medication, we can arrange for their medication. If they need referral, we can connect with the referrals. We can connect with the cheapest hospital. We get our, I think for $500, we get done the colonoscopy and endoscopy.
Wow.
We do, for $249, we can done MRIs and CT scans for $250. It's unheard.
So
we have-
what is that? So minimum is that I know it's a for underprivileged whatever, but they have to pay minimum something to see a doctor in Ibn Sina.
I mean, basically, we have
Is it like to $25, $39, $34 something minimum?
right now we for consultancy we charge $39. Who
Okay.
can afford? If any patient who can't afford,
Okay.
we see them free. And what I was trying to bring in to the attention of the community that Ibn Sina has a program from within. We are partnering with the state that any child or any family member up to age 21, they can afford to see a doctor. Ibn Sina can see them free and provide full service of medical
Oh, wow.
and dental
Right.
without $0.
And it's open to everyone, not just a Desi community or anything. It's open for anyone who needs medical help.
Yes, it is open to all, and we do not ask for any status. So if you don't have any status, please do not hesitate to come.
Okay,
We
okay.
do not report anything to anyone. Your information does not go beyond our door. Our everything information stays with us,
Right.
and it does not
Confidential.
go away. So we have programs for the children's, for young mothers. We have a program for adults, for seniors. We have so much programs today at Ibn Sina that if anyone who cannot afford to see the doctor, we can put
So
them
you have
in
dental,
programs.
you have
that we can-
dental and vision and pediatrics and all those. All programs are available basically.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have programs that we can, if any, like I've seen communities who have just arrived from Pakistan or India or Bangladesh. They come, they don't have any doctors. They come to us. We evaluate themselves. If they have no income, we can put them into a lot of different programs, and their visits will be completely free. Their children will be free. Their even parents will be free. A senior can be seen free. So we would like the community to have access to us without hesitation.
Right.
If you arrive
That's
here,
important. That's important. Yeah.
just don't worry. This is the clinic for the community, and we want to serve the community at large scale. In state is our partner, but again, do not hesitate to come in. This record does not go to state or any federal agency.
I don't think there's any other center that's serving that many patients a year.
And a community clinic, 100,000 patients is a lot. It's a pretty major organization, in my opinion.
Like Harris County is the third largest county in Texas. Third largest county in U.S. And we are the largest community center that are serving the community.
Oh, wow.
So now going back to my passion about Rupani Foundation.
I think we will be probably, you can talk a little bit about the Rupani Foundation. We will need to be going into the closing in a minute or so. So you want to give your last thoughts on what you have to say?
Rupani Foundation, basically, I would like to quickly address what our main goal is today. Our main goal is to assemble a smart child in mother's womb. Okay. How do you assemble a smart child in mother's womb? Because it's all the entire foundation of child's life is based on the 9 months of being in mother's womb.
Right.
So entire foundation is in mother's womb. So how can we assemble a smart child? That's what we would like to address, and we would like to discuss it, and we'd like to share with the community.
Okay, I think we will, later on in different shows that be coming in. तो नाज़रीन, हमारा टाइम अब ख़त्म हुआ जा रहा है और आपसे आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आपने ज्वाइन किया and please continue to watch this program. It's many new people are coming, and they're going to share their experiences and their thoughts and their guidance. And I think this is a platform where you can call in anytime you want, and inshallah we will just continue on. और आपको किसी से रूपानी साहब से कांटेक्ट करना है इब्न सीना में, आप कॉल कीजिएगा. और जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि इब्न सीना इज़ वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड टू मेक श्योर that we are going, in a direction where, 100,000 people are getting help. Please do take advantage of that, and it's an amazing service. It's very few cities in the United States that has that kind of facility what Ibn Sina has. तो basically इंशाल्लाह फिर आपसे दोबारा मुलाकात होगी नेक्स्ट शो के अंदर. तो इंशाल्लाह फिर आपको definitely stay tuned for the next. अच्छा जी, खुदा.